we've got some fillet steak trimmings left over from Valentine's Day. This was the fatty, sinewy stuff that was around the actual fillet itself. So rather than chuck it away, we froze it, and it will be perfect for these burgers. And you'll notice as well, I don't actually have a mincer. Not a problem. If you've got a good, sharp knife, you can mince any meat that you need to. You just need a little bit of patience, chop it down very, very small, and you'll be able to press it together and make burgers, meatballs, and whatever else you want to make.